When you create a form library inside of the gINT administrator, the project and borehole forms are created. You can add fields from your gINT data template and arrange it as necessary and you see fit. Other forms you must create first. You do this by selecting Create. You give the form a name similar to your gINT table, and you recognize the orientation. Perhaps your sample is a depth length or a depth bottom. Add, and you can see I map to my sample table because this is mapped to my gINT data template as well as my gINT library. I designate the fields from that gINT data template it is mapped to. I pick all the fields from the tables inside of gINT for this form, and I can pick which ones I want. For a standard geotechnical, let's pretend I'm not going to do other tests and I'm not going to do pocket penetrometer for a standard geotechnical. Okay, generate form. gINT administrator generates a preliminary form. It does not take into account workflow. It does take into account properties from the gINT data template. It is mapped. So here you can see that this one is a number, and you can set rules based upon the type of field it is from gINT. Other forms I can create in the same manner. So let's say I wanted to do lithology, and that one is a depth bottom. Add. And map my information. Select the fields that I want. Line type, let's say, is a report item, so I'm not going to use that one. In the field, say OK. Generate form. And we go through modifying forms in other videos. The process is the same whether you pick a depth only, depth bottom, or depth length form. Map the table from gINT into the form. Map the field. Let's say we want all of these. Say OK and generate form. Save. We've now set up 2 basic forms and 3 additional forms.